honey. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to fix some ribeye steak in my air fryer and mashed potatoes in my rice cooker. So I'll show you what I'm doing. This is Walter's Father's Day meal. Okay, here are the steaks I got seasoned. Look at that. And I'll show you what I got on them. Started with some yellow mustard. That's the first layer. And mustard just adds another layer of flavor. It helps the seasoning to stick. And I hear this. Just a minute. My mashed potatoes are cooking in the rice cooker. I don't want them to stick. Got them seasoned. I got a big pat of butter in here. I just heard them do something. Making sure ain't nothing sticking. So I'll tell you what's in the mashed potatoes too. I season everything, y'all. That's how it tastes. It tastes yum. Okay, this is what I got on the steak. The mustard, and then I put on some black pepper. Put on this stuff here, Memphis style barbecue seasoning. Some of everything is in here. Worcestershire sauce, garlic, granulated garlic, onion powder. Next time I'm going to buy granulated onion instead of the powder because it's too powdery. And I use some hickory smoked sea salt. This is so good, y'all. Time you open up the bag and you smell a barbecue. So that's on the steak. I think that's it. And this is what's in my mashed potatoes. Chicken broth. Ground white pepper. Black pepper. And some, what's them green things? Parsley flakes. And I put a big pat of butter in there. And I got the rice cooker on the risotto setting right here. You just need to heat up. You have to check them. Make sure nothing is sticking. I don't want no burnt mashed potatoes on the bottom. Okay. So, I don't think both of these steaks will fit in the air fryer at one time. Let me see. I want to sit down. Just a minute. I'm going to get rid of this wig. I'm not sure if I told you I put garlic powder in my mashed potatoes or not. When I did. Just tasted them and I taste garlic. So really these are loaded mashed potatoes. They're good. Let me stir them up again. Big old pat of butter in here. Has not melted yet. Nice and creamy and smooth. Make sure nothing's sticking on the bottom. These are good. Okay. Now. Okay, I just sprayed my air fryer basket. And I'm going to preheat this air fryer basket. Preheat. Before I put the steak, I'm not sure. I want to put both of them in. These some good looking steaks, ain't they? I trimmed the excess fat from around the sides. Now it's marbling in here, but that's what makes the steak tender and tastes good. Yum yum. These are ribeye. I ain't been posting that much lately. Been working on other things, and I don't want to do too much and then nothing gets done well. So I work on maybe 2 things at a time so I can make sure those 2 things will be done well. I don't want to be a jack of all trades and a master at none. Okay? So I haven't been posting videos that much. And when I do post, I just do all my filming in one day. That's why you see these same clothes. I took that wig off, y'all. I'm so ready to put the steak in here. I'm going to try to crowd them both in here. Because I'm so ready to eat. Yesterday we had unexpected company. We were trying to do our taxes. We wait till the last minute. We're doing TurboTax. And it took a long time. Oh my gosh. And I wasn't willing to pay what they asked to pay. So we just put that on hold for another few days. And then we had unexpected company, so I couldn't really do what I was getting ready to do yesterday. It's been preheated long enough. I want them both to go in there. That's how the back side looks. Put that over there. Put this way, in this direction. So it fit in here like a puzzle. Yeah, buddy. Smush it down in there. Okay. I'm surprised. Let me wash this mess off my hand. I'll be back. It fit, y'all. 2 large ribeyes fit in this 5.8 quart Cosori. I'm going to put it on the steak setting. I think I'm going to set them for 8 minutes instead of 6. I'll put 9 minutes. I want them both medium well. Okay. I'll leave the link to the Cosori air fryer in my description box, as well as this nifty countertop rolling tray. It pulls the air fryer away from the wall. I'll leave a link for my aroma rice cooker. And what else I got? The Evo oil sprayer. I'll leave a link for all this stuff y'all see me using. Let me check these potatoes. Okay. Oops. I'm just gonna let these stay warm. They're on the risotto setting, so I want them to keep warm. Okay. I'm smelling the steak already. All them seasonings. So I'll be back. Okay, I have 1 more minute on the steaks. I'm gonna check them now to see. Ready right now. Okay. I didn't flip them over. That's how this side looks. I'll put them in the plate and cut it. Because y'all know I don't want no bloody steak. Ouch. I don't want nothing still mooing. Cut into it. Supposed to let it rest. And while it's resting, all the juices are getting reabsorbed in the steak, and it's still cooking basically. And I'm gonna cut it to see how this cut get in here. If it's pink, I'm gonna put it back in there. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect. Oh no, it ain't. That's kind of red. That's how it looks. That's. If I let it sit, then that's good. I'm gonna leave well enough alone. Okay. I'm gonna fix the rest of my stuff. I already dished up my mashed potatoes. I don't want no mashed potatoes on my steak. Put this over here. I got a little salad. Put this right here. Put this right here. I guess he want me to taste the steak before I go putting sauce all over it. It's nice and tender, I'll tell you that. And this is ribeye. It finished cooking a little bit more as I let it sit. And y'all gonna see me. Oh. I will pay $25 for this meal. So, Walter ain't never ready to eat when I cook. So I'm fixing my food first because I'm ready to eat. So his food will be just like this. I'm gonna put some sauce. Fake A1 from Walmart. I like steak sauce. I got a brother, he don't put nothing on his ribs or his steaks. He just seasons his meat real good. But I like sauce. Putting Heinz 57 sauce. I got Catalina sauce on my salad. And a little more, what's this here sauce on the whole steak. Okay. Now this is good eating, y'all. Gotta get a thumbnail. But I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. It's 7:24 here right now, p.m. I'm so ready to eat. I was so busy yesterday, and all I had yesterday was ramen noodles all day. And I know that ain't good. So I need to eat today. I ain't had nothing today. This will be my meal. So, bon appetit. Bah. Okay, here's the close-up. Thumbnail.